Monaco, located on the French Riviera, is a small principality known for its luxury and glamour. It is famous for its picturesque landscapes, upscale casinos, luxurious yachts, and the renowned Formula One Grand Prix. Despite its small size, Monaco offers a wealth of attractions and activities for visitors to enjoy. Best time to visit. The best time to visit Monaco is during the spring April to June, and fall September to October, seasons when the weather is pleasant, and the tourist crowds are relatively smaller. However, do keep in mind that Monaco's Mediterranean climate means it enjoys mild winters and hot summers, making it a year-round destination. Getting there, the closest airport to Monaco is the Nice Côte d'Azur International Airport, which is approximately 30 minutes away by car or train. From the airport, you can take a taxi, a pre-booked transfer, or a train to reach Monaco. Alternatively, if you're already in Europe, you can consider traveling to Monaco by train or car. Transportation. Monaco is a compact city-state, and it's relatively easy to explore on foot. However, if you prefer public transportation, Monaco has an efficient bus network that covers the entire principality. Additionally, there is a scenic train service that connects Monaco to neighboring towns and cities. Taxis and rental cars are also available for convenience. Must-see attractions. Monte Carlo Casino, one of Monaco's iconic landmarks, this opulent casino is known for its grand architecture, exquisite interiors, and high-stakes gambling. Even if you're not a gambler, a visit to the casino is a must to admire its lavish design. Prince's Palace of Monaco, the official residence of the ruling Prince of Monaco, the palace offers guided tours to visitors. Explore the state apartments, the throne room, and witness the changing of the guard ceremony. Oceanographic Museum, situated on a cliffside, the museum showcases a vast collection of marine life, including aquariums, rare species, and interactive exhibits. Don't miss the impressive rooftop terrace with panoramic views. The Rock of Monaco. This ancient fortress stands as a symbol of Monaco's history and offers stunning views of the city, harbor, and Mediterranean Sea. Explore the narrow streets of the old town, visit the cathedral, and see the tomb of Princess Grace. Jardin Exotique, a beautiful garden perched on a cliff, showcasing a diverse collection of exotic plants, cacti, and succulents. Enjoy a leisurely stroll and take in breathtaking views of the Mediterranean. Activities. Formula One Grand Prix. If you're lucky enough to visit during the race weekend, usually in May, experience the excitement of the famous Formula One race through the streets of Monaco. Larvado Beach. Relax on this beautiful public beach, located east of Monaco. Sunbathe, swim in the azure waters, and enjoy beachside restaurants and cafes. Monaco Yacht Show, held annually in September, this prestigious event showcases some of the world's most luxurious yachts. Take a stroll along the harbor and marvel at these magnificent vessels. Casino Square. Visit the vibrant heart of Monte Carlo, where you'll find luxury boutiques, high-end restaurants, and exquisite gardens. Enjoy people watching and soak up the glamorous atmosphere. Fine dining. Monaco boasts an array of Michelin-starred restaurants, offering exceptional culinary experiences. Indulge in gourmet cuisine and savor the flavors of Mediterranean and international dishes. Shopping. Monaco is a haven for luxury shopping, with renowned designer boutiques and high-end brands lining the streets. The Golden Circle, which encompasses Avenue Monte Carlo, Avenue des Beaux-Arts, and Avenue de la Costa, is a prime shopping district where you can find prestigious fashion labels, jewelry, and accessories. Nightlife. Monaco's nightlife is synonymous with sophistication and glamour. The famous Casino de Monte Carlo offers a thrilling atmosphere for gambling enthusiasts. Additionally, the Casino Square and surrounding area are dotted with chic bars, trendy clubs, and rooftop lounges where you can enjoy cocktails and live music in a vibrant setting. Day trips. If you have extra time, consider taking day trips from Monaco to nearby attractions. Some popular options include Nice, just a short distance away. The vibrant city of Nice offers a charming old town, beautiful beaches, and a bustling promenade. Explore its museums, indulge in delicious cuisine, and soak up the Mediterranean atmosphere. Èze, situated on a hilltop overlooking the sea, Èze is a medieval village with winding cobblestone streets and stunning views. Visit the exotic garden and discover its artisan shops and galleries. Mentone, known for its colorful facades and picturesque setting, Mentone is a charming town famous for its gardens, such as the Serre de la Madone and the Jardin Val Rame. Don't miss the annual Lemon Festival held in February. Antibes, this picturesque town is home to beautiful beaches, a charming old town, and the Picasso Museum, which houses an impressive collection of the artist's works. Cultural etiquette. When visiting Monaco, it's important to adhere to certain cultural norms. Monaco is known for its elegance, so dressing stylishly is encouraged, particularly in upscale establishments. It's customary to greet people with a handshake or a kiss on the cheek, and it's polite to use titles such as Monsieur or Madame when addressing individuals. Currency and language. The official currency in Monaco is the euro, and French is the main language. However, English is widely spoken, especially in tourist areas. Safety. Monaco is generally considered safe for travelers. However, as with any destination, it's important to take common safety precautions such as keeping an eye on your belongings, using reputable transportation services, and being aware of your surroundings. With its glamorous allure, breathtaking scenery, and world-class attractions, Monaco offers a truly unforgettable travel experience. Enjoy the luxurious lifestyle, soak in the Mediterranean charm, and create lasting memories in this captivating principality.